Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Rita's DIY for hair growth. I am back. Guys, you will not believe this. I have used my rice water and my onion juice together for 3 weeks. My sister-in-law planted my cornrow and I've used it for 3 weeks. And my hair has grown massive. I have used this oil that I'm about to show you guys. I have used it as well and I've seen changes, guys. So please trust me. Try and you will see that your hair will change if you have problem with your hair. Firstly, in the video you're gonna use aloe vera. So today we're doing aloe vera and onion oil, okay, for massive powerful hair growth. You will need your straightener, you will need knife, you can use stockings, anything that will make you comfortable to straighten the oil out, okay? And then you will need your blender, whether small, whether big, it doesn't matter. Now you're gonna cut it into small pieces. Make sure you wash your aloe vera very well and cut the prongs out so it does not prong you. So you're gonna cut it small and then you're gonna put it in the blender and you're gonna blend it together. Now I've finished, I've tipped it in my bowl. I'm gonna do the same thing to the onion. I'm gonna cut the onion small, and I'm gonna put it in my blender and I'm gonna blend the red onion as well. You don't need to wash your blender because it's the same ingredient. So you don't need to wash your blender. You just put your onion in and then straight away you put water inside. So I'll use a measurement of 1/4 cup of water inside my onion. So this is 1/4. So I'm using 1.5, okay, into the onion to blend it. The next ingredient is olive oil. Olive oil has a lot of nutrition that can help to condition your hair. Olive oil acts as a great moisturizer and prevents dryness. It contains all the necessary nutrients that are required to provide your hair with the right nourishment and conditioning, okay? Olive oil, it helps to smoothen the scalp, all right? Olive oil is also powerful. It reduces DHTC producing. It prevents damage. It prevents breakage. And moreover, the most important is it helps to reduce hair loss. All right. So you add it in and then you're going to mix it slowly. You know, you put your hot water in a pot and put it on a fire. You don't need to put it on the fire straight away. You need to put it in a pot. So what you're doing is you are steaming it. You are not cooking it. You are steaming the oil. So now you put your onion inside and you take your time and let it steam for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now the color has changed in 25 minutes. And as you can see, the color has changed. It has come together. Our next ingredients we're going to use into the oil is avocado oil. Avocado oil helps your body health. It keeps your body strong. And also it has biotin, vitamin B5 and vitamin E. All it does is to promote your hair healthy. And also it keeps your hair out from breakage, okay? The benefit in avocado is very strong. It helps your hair to moisturize, repair, and straighten your hair. Yeah, so Now the next is gonna be grapeseed. Grapeseed also have the same benefit as avocado and olive oil. Grapeseed will moisturize your hair, it will stop breakage, it will gives you more long and length of your hair that you're looking for. So grapeseed oil is also good. My next ingredient is castor oil. We all know how castor oil is. Castor oil is also one of the most powerful oil that will benefit your hair, especially your scalp and your edges. So I'm using castor oil, also 100% castor oil in my oil that I'm making. Guys, this oil is gonna grow your hair massive and crazy. Trust me, I've been using this oil. If I don't try it, I will not come and share my testimony with you guys. That I've mixed all my oil together, I've turned my fire down to low heat. I'm just gonna leave it extra 5 minutes just to connect all the oil together and take its time to cook slowly or to steam slowly. All right, after that, you please let it cool down. After you take it from the pot, let it cool down before you use, because it's gonna be very hot. So now I'm straining it. You can use stockings, you can use any straining of your choice. So I'm gonna strain it like 3 to 4 times because of the aloe vera that I blend. I blended all my aloe vera with the skin, so I need to straighten more so that I can get only the oil out. Look at that. You can see the oil. You can, if I stir it, you can see the red onion inside. Wow, this is beautiful. This is amazing. Guys, please try this. Subscribe to my channel for more video from Retta's DIY hair growth. Follow my journey with me and your hair will never be the same. By the grace of God, your hair will change like how my hair has changed. Okay, try this oil. Guys, you will love this oil. This is another massive hair growth. Okay, now let's do the last but not the least, the third one. Okay, I told you guys I will filter it 3 times. Okay, so this is the last one. I'm using the smooth one. This one I'm using this. You can use stockings. Okay, as I said, you can use stockings. It doesn't matter, as long as you don't get the pumps inside. You only need the oil. Wow, it's done. That is all you need. Now let's see. You see how beautiful it is. Now you're gonna need a bottle. You can choose whether you want a bottle or you want a spray bottle. It's your choice, because I'm gonna put it in this and I'm gonna freeze it for a long time, because I want to use this for about 3 to 4 months. Okay, now as you guys know, I like my vitamin E oil, I like my essential oil, peppermint and rosemary. Those two are the one that I always use the most, because what, they are quality in your DIY hair growth. Okay, it will promote your hair to grow faster with the DIY that you are making. Rosemary and peppermint are the most powerful essential oil that you can ever have in your DIY if you want your hair or your scalp to have all the nutrition so your hair can grow quickly. Please use essential oil, use peppermint. I'm putting more. I put about 20 or 30 inside, because what, I want it more inside. And I'm using 3 vitamin E oil. That's all I'm using in. I'm gonna stir it and I'm gonna cover it and I'm gonna froze it in my freezer until the small one that I will use on my hair finished. So now I'm putting the rest that I'm gonna use. I'm putting it in my small bottle, and I'm adding more of my essential oil, my peppermint, and my rosemary. So guys, that is it. I'm done. This is the oil, aloe vera and onion oil for you for massive hair growth. So this is all the process. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and share to your friends. Anyone who is having difficulties of growing hair, anyone who hair is breaking, anyone that is worried about hair, that they've tried so many products like me. I have tried so many products for my hair because why? I want my hair to grow. This is my oil. This is me. Now I'm gonna apply the oil on my hair, but first I'm gonna do my pre-poo before I put my oil. In onion juice and rice water together. I've been using this product, as I said in the first beginning, for 3 weeks. So this is the rest of it. I'm just gonna use it on my hair, finish it, and then after I wash it with my shampoo, and also let me share with you guys the shampoo that I use. Okay, you know, I've used a lot of shampoos that destroy my hair. So I've tried this Tresemme moisturizer, conditioner, and shampoo. You can get it from any shop, and it has really benefited my hair. They are powerful. All right, this shampoo is amazing. So my shampoo, I put olive oil inside before I use it on my hair, and then the conditioner too, I put olive oil in and castor oil, and sometimes vitamin E also, so I can get more nutrition in my hair. So these are the shampoo that I use. So you guys try. So I'm gonna leave you guys. I finished my video. I'm just doing my pre-poo, and then after I wash my hair, I'll put my oil. But sorry, I'm not gonna attach the oil on my hair in the video. You just put it in your scalp and massage it to 5 to 10 minutes. That's all you need, and then you are ready to go. Just use it morning and afternoon, twice a day, 4 times a week if you want. But for me, I'm gonna use it until my oil is finished. So I'll see you guys again on my next video. God bless you. Rita's DIY. Chai Bala.